In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event planning and management. We're going to walk through a simple, practical workflow that takes you from choosing the right template all the way to tracking registrations, tasks, and your overall event status in one place. First, open Monday and head to your main home area. This is your central hub where you can access all your boards, dashboards, and docs. From here, look for the option to create a new board or workspace, and then choose the option that lets you start with a template. Using a template is a huge time saver because it gives you a structure that's already designed for events, instead of building everything from scratch. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type in a keyword related to events. You'll see a variety of event-focused templates appear. Choose the event planning template that best matches your needs, then click on Use Template. Monday will now create a new board for you with predefined groups, columns, and views tailored to running an event. Once your board is created, start by opening the registration form view. This is where you'll set up the form that attendees will use to sign up for your event. You can customize the fields to capture whatever information you need, like name, contact details, company, or session preferences. When the form is ready, you can share the link with your audience, and every submission will automatically create a new item on your board. Next, switch over to the timeline view. This gives you a visual calendar-style layout of all your event tasks and milestones. Here, you can adjust start and end dates, see overlaps, and make sure everything from venue booking to marketing campaigns is scheduled properly. This view is great for spotting bottlenecks and making sure your team isn't overloaded at any specific time. To keep track of who has registered, open the Form Response Viewer. This organizes all your form submissions in a clear format so you can quickly scan through your attendees, filter by different criteria, and keep your registration list up to date. For more detailed attendee details, switch to the Registrants Info view, where you'll see each registrant as a line item with all their associated information in columns. For your internal work, use the Event Planning Checklist view. This is your master to-do list for the event. Go through each item, assign owners, set due dates, and update statuses as tasks move from to-do to in progress to done. You can complement this with the Event Planning Doc, which is a dedicated space for notes, run-of-show details, scripts, and any important information your team needs to reference. To manage day-to-day execution, open the Kanban view. Here, tasks are organized as cards and columns that reflect their status. You can drag and drop items as work progresses, which gives you and your team a very intuitive, at-a-glance picture of what's happening. If you want to see only what's relevant to you, switch to the My Tasks view. This filters the board so you're looking at just the items assigned to you, helping you stay focused on your responsibilities without getting distracted by everything else. Finally, open the Event Dashboard. This pulls in data from your event boards and presents it as charts, numbers, and widgets. You can see registrations over time, task completion rates, upcoming deadlines, and any other key metrics you've set up. Use this dashboard as your command center on event week to monitor progress and make quick decisions. By moving through these views in Monday.com, you create a complete event planning system, from collecting registrations to managing timelines and tasks, to monitoring performance with a dashboard, all in one organized workspace.